This is a habit that many of us don't like to admit to, but the fact is that most people end up taking their cell phone in the bathroom with them. Cell phones replace newspapers and magazines for those of us who like to read while in the bathroom, and offer many other forms of entertainment as well. You can read, play, talk to your friends, or even work, which can help keep you distracted the whole time you're on the toilet. But is this a healthy habit? That's what today's video is about. According to experts, this habit is bad for your health, mainly because it's not very hygienic. The bathroom is one of the warmest and most humid places in the house, making it a perfect habitat for bacteria and other harmful microorganisms. The bacteria that proliferate like crazy in your bathroom can also be living in your cellular device. This is because the particles of water and air that carry these microorganisms can cling to the small crevices of your phone, including the screen, even if it has a screen protector. Phone cases can even increase the risk, especially if they are made of some type of plastic or rubber, which are perfect for housing bacteria. But whoever thinks that the problem only has to do with using your cell phone on the toilet is wrong. Charging your cell phone in the bathroom or even playing music while in the bath can be risky. Just having your device in your hands when you enter and leave the bathroom is enough for the bacteria to attach to your cell phone during the time when you didn't wash your hands. Now think about the amount of times you're on your phone or taking a call or playing games with friends, all while your phone could possibly be contaminated. It's disgusting, isn't it? There is a solution, however. If you tend to clean your cell phone frequently, the recommended amount being once a week, the risks of these bacteria affecting your health are significantly lower. Using your phone while doing your business also increases the risk of another uncomfortable problem people avoid talking about: hemorrhoids. In fact, the amount of people suffering from this problem has increased drastically over the past years, and many specialists say it has to do with the amount of time spent sitting on the toilet with your phone. When we sit there for too long, our anus remains relaxed for a long time, causing more blood to flow to the veins in this area. In some people, this can cause pain and even bleeding. If you're prone to hemorrhoids, using your phone in the bathroom will only make matters worse. If you usually take your phone to the bathroom with you, try to pay attention to the amount of time you spend there in order to avoid this issue and many others. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.